Hi, this is Colton from WhiplashPC.com. Today we have the Cooler Master GX650W power supply. It's a single 12-volt rail, 52 amp, which is very good for a 650 watt power supply. It has a 5-year warranty on it. I did do an open box on this before, but this is a new camera, so I figured why not make it HD. The other one was very bad quality, so I figure we're just going to go ahead and do an open box in HD so you can see the full thing and the beauty that it is. This is a very nice power supply. It does run a little warm compared to some of the others if you're running it through a case filter. So I recommend, if you're going to put it in the old-fashioned way so it's breathing inside the case instead of trying to breathe out the bottom through a filter, because it will run a little warm. I'm not saying it's going to kill it, but you will hear the difference. It's very loud if you have it the other way, at least in the case that I had it in. It was a Cooler Master HAF 912 series case that I had it in, and I noticed the loudness of it, so I went ahead and switched it around to where it was breathing inside the case, and it was just fine. This is the GX650W, as I said. It's a Cooler Master power supply with a 5-year warranty. It shows basically that it has a max output capacity of 780 watts. If you're running it at that, it's probably going to die, so I probably wouldn't try to push it that hard, but it can do 650 watts and live. We also have the 52 amp on the 12-volt rail. That's also very good. It has a 24 pin, has a 8-pin CPU connection, has 2 PCI Express 6+2 pins, it has 6 SATA adapters, a 4-pin peripheral, and a 4-pin floppy. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. This is a very nice looking power supply, I might add. It comes with a Cooler Master limited warranty card. You can fill in your product number, serial number, ID, and all that. In here it just basically gives you a guide. I don't want to go through all that, but it just shows you everything that it comes with and the voltage ratings. It comes with a standard power adapter. Just basically, it feels nice, it's solid. It's not real solid, but it's good enough. I felt better, but on the other hand, it's not bad by any means. As you can see, we have the bottom of the fan. It looks solid. It's made out of plastic, but it's very nice, solid plastic. 650 watt here. It's all black and white, but it looks very nice if you're going to put it in a window case. And on the back, it's awesome because it says GX650W, and that's the side where if you ran it on the bottom where it was breathing through the filter, you'd see it. But for the unfortunate part, if you want a quieter machine and you have it breathing inside the machine and it's sitting on the bottom of your case, that's the way you're going to see it. I'm not saying you can't run it through a filter, but when I did it, it was very loud, so I switched it around and it was running cooler and better. So I'd recommend doing that if you're having heat issues. It has the on-off switch. It's basically everything I told you earlier. It has all the adapters, which I listed earlier, the 24-pin, the 6-pin, the peripheral, the 8-pin, and the SATA connectors. It's a very nice power supply. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. I'd say it's probably about 6 pounds or so. It's a nice power supply. It does everything that it says it does, and I mean, it does its job well. So if you're interested in a power supply and you're looking to buy, this is a solid processor. Just keep in mind it does run a little warm if you're breathing it, taking it through the bottom of the case, trying to get air through a filter. It does run a little warm. So thanks for viewing, and be sure to check out my other videos. Hey, thanks for viewing this video. If you liked it, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the thumbs up below and subscribe above. Thank you.